Okay, good morning, guys. Trust you guys are good. It's another day in the day of the market, in the day of market. And first of all, congratulations to every one of us that was able to cut the 4,000 move yesterday. In fact, I almost missed it. I knew that the market is going to get to 4,000 yesterday, but I thought it would be around early hour of the midnight. I was waiting till around 2 thereabout. Since he didn't move, I just went to go and sleep. Luckily for me, my mom woke me up very early, around that 5, and wow, I think it was around that 4,010 thereabout, and I caught it and I ride it up. Though I even made a good profit, but because of greed now, I'm not waiting because of greed. I had to lose part of the profit, but we still thank God we are still on the board. But anyway, why actually I'm doing this video this morning is that after much backtesting and after much observing on the market, I have come to tell you guys now that the best time to make money on the market right now is the earlier hour of the day, around that 3:30 to 6, 7 thereabout. Now, if you go and backtest previously, let's do a little backtesting starting from 1 hour. If I don't have any analysis to do for you this morning, okay, Pat, this particular trade, I'm actually catching, I caught it at this earlier at this point. That was around 3:30 thereabout. So I've been up is around the I think 3 o'clock thereabout, and I just opened my phone and I saw the wow, it's already going back up. And I entered it, and by God's grace, we are riding back to 4,001. Gold is one of the best instruments you can trade on the forex market. You want to become a billionaire in less than 6 months, 1 year, having paid your price, because take it or leave it. No matter how disciplined, how intelligent, how gracious you are, and you want to go into trading will sit you down. As in, it will sit you down. Anyway, in the course of this, I'm going to tell you part of my story and my experience. But we thank God we are here, we are, and God is helping us. But that's not why we are doing this video. So now, if you can back test over and over, you said that the moves that the market has been doing. Let's go to daily. I think I prefer using 4 hour or daily to see. Now, if you check the move we have been having, as in this bullish move, it has always been at the middle of the night. Look at this move now. This was in the evening till here. Now, if you check this level here, market started moving. Now, it broke this neckline here. This neckline, let's even use this one. Broke this place and started moving upward. At what time? 10. Then if you check lower time frame, it came down here, and that will be like till midnight, and give us one candlestick continuation pattern and started moving up. That was it since then. So if you backtest and backtest and backtest and backtest and backtest and backtest, check here, look at my time frame down, look at 2 a.m. started moving up. Check what time is this? And that 2 a.m. on the September 25. So the market has always been the move we all anticipated for. It happened at the middle of the night. So my advice for you for the rest of this month through November, because I'm anticipating for it down. But when the down will happen, we don't know yet. But I feel that it will happen around the end of November, December. But then it will be more of consolidation. It will be as in more of consolidation, not even ranging. It will consolidate for a long time. Then by earlier of January, we are start going to be expecting the drop down we are anticipating for. But nevertheless, as the market is just going up right now, my advice for you is that do as much as possible not to look for a sell, look more for a buy, because buy will give you peace of mind and rest assured that because the market is uptrend. So although if you see a sell setup, you can take it, but let's not more than 1:1, 1:2. But for a buy, you can get a buy of yesterday buy morning was about 1:8 or 1:10. I caught it all the way from 4,010 and I took it to like 4,030. Though I was in and out. If I knew, I'll have just let it just ride because I'm like, hey, homo, you don't hit 4,000 if you drop at any moment in time. So I will just write it up. You get. So my advice now, summary of advice is that starting from today or tomorrow, which is Friday, try as much as possible either not to sleep or when you want to sleep, set an alarm by 3 o'clock. Get to the market, do an analysis, and ride the market to around 5, 6, 7. Now, mind you, now why did I say 5, 6, 7? Because by 8, London session will open. At another point in time, around 7:30 precisely, the market will start ranging. For instance, if it has been buying from around that 3 or 4, started buying around 4 till 7:30 thereabout, the market will start doing a kind of how will I call it? Ranging. Now, why is doing the ranging? Is trying to correct, do a little correction and go back to what the initial trend. It's trying to do we call it liquidity, trying to clear liquidity, trying to look for little market this thing just to clear liquidity and start moving forward. Do you get? So summary of it all is that by 8:39 you can now look for your structure for either for a buy or a sell continuation. So guys, as I was saying, so like now I told you I entered this trade earlier this morning. By yesterday evening, after I made profit and I went back because of greed and I lost the account, what I did was that I just closed the account. Now, as I'm talking to you now, I have recovered my losses and I've made at least 1% profit back on my capital. I don't know, on my daily stipend account, I will screenshot it, I will send it so you can see it. So that's the way it works. So my advice for you now is for the rest of between October and November, do everything possible to wake up early and before like now, this around 5:51 now. The market will be ranging right now for the next 30 minutes. Immediately it is 6:15 or 6:30 back, it will buy again till um 7:30 around about, then start consolidating till 8, 9, 10, 8:30 and start buying back. But however, what actually happening right now, because you can see we're already having ranging this thing here, and that is because the market is there's a gap here. The market opened with a gap yesterday. Market opened with a gap yesterday. The market opened the gap here yesterday at this place. So that was why the market is kind of rejecting here. Oh, yeah, this is it. Now, as you can see, market is ranging here because of the gap that we have there. But hopefully, let's see that. Let's see whether the market will be able to break it. If we can break it, we are good to go. But if we don't really break it, that means we are looking for another sell. But however, I think I'm done for my daily stipend my account this morning. So let's just wait for the overall. Now, my mentor used to tell us some. Shout out to my mentor Sam Tucci. I beg if you see that man, I'm gonna bill him up. That is the man that's been eating good money back to back. I used to say that as a trader, you must have at least minimum of 3 trading accounts, minimum of 2 trading accounts. Especially when you're trying to build your portfolio. So one of them will be for your daily, one will be for short-term emergency, and the third one will be for at long term. Now, when you hit your daily target, just close that account. The other two, when you hit their target, either weekly or monthly, just close it. Do you understand what I'm trying to say now? By that, you tend to have peace of mind, peace of mind. And apart from that, also that will also help you in your portfolio building because what we are looking at here is portfolio building. Nobody will give you $500 to trade though. If you see gone, if you are not careful, you eventually lose that money. But when you build the portfolio yourself, you'll be serious in managing it because an average Nigerian man lacks management. An average Nigerian man lacks management, including myself. I'm talking. But if you do it yourself, in no time, you will be able to balance, be able to scale up. So my advice for you this morning is two things. Try as much as possible this year before November. Try to wake up early in the morning around 3 o'clock and do analysis and follow the trend. Second advice is let's do portfolio building. Build your portfolio. It's very, very important. Don't look out for any investor or look out for anybody. If there's any investor that comes with um, reasonable offer, when I mean reasonable, if it's asking for 1% of the capital monthly, that is still preferable. But when it's asking for 5%, 10% monthly, I better not take am o. But the truth is that before you can start an investor that will probably ask for 1% or 2% of capital of the investment monthly is very, very hard. If you see anyone, that one na God sent. But when you don't have anyone like that, what I advise is do portfolio building. Have like 2 or 3 accounts and set your targets. Okay, I want to make this one daily, this one is weekly. I don't make, in fact, if you're lucky to make your weekly target in a day, close that account. In fact, what I do is I delete that particular account off. When I need it again the next week, I reinstall it back. That will help you a lot because if not, you tend to just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But all the same, shout out to Donald Trump. God bless Donald Trump. God bless him. Because the market is really pushing the way we expect it. Now crypto we dey expect na make people to dey push now. But at the same time, stay locked in, stay grounding, and stay hopeful. Jeffrey Benson does not have two head. Abi does not have two head. Sam Tochi does not have two head. They don't have two head. Now only one head wey they get and wey you get. The only difference is that they pay the sacrifice. So I would advise you also pay your sacrifice. I have paid my own and I'm still paying. So no time from now, we'll all meet up there. Thank you. Stay blessed and stay tuned. And above all, please try to subscribe on my channel, like, comment, and share. Please, I'm begging you guys. I'm anticipating that my channel gets to 1,000 subscribers on before the end of this month by November, so we can launch out for every other packages that we have. The essence of my channel is to interview upcoming traders and the profitable ones and other this thing we have. So I don't want to mention every one of them out now. But above all, please help me to subscribe on my channel, follow, and comment. Please, very, very important. On my TikTok, you guys follow me, like my videos. Instagram, follow me, like my videos. And don't worry. In fact, I will be doing giveaway. I will be doing giveaway of core units. If you follow me, I will charge you 500 naira. That's a deal. Let's do that strategy. So if you follow me, at least that is not much. So we can do that. So you guys, please subscribe on my channel, follow, comment. Thank you guys. So watch out for my next video by tomorrow. So there's no any analysis this morning. I'm not doing London analysis this morning. I've done my analysis already. So this is what I'm expecting for. But anyway, you can actually go to lower time frame. Okay, we're already. So look at 5 minutes. I don't even know. Okay, let's see. Okay. So this is what we'll do. Let's wait for a buy here. A continuation buy here. If the market eventually comes here and they break it down, you can take a buy here. Five pips. 5 pips. Money management is very key. Money management is very key. Manage your risk. 5%, 5 pips. So if eventually the market does not break down here, they don't break this zone here, the FNR zone here, you can take a buy. So the overall TP will be 4,001. That's what we are anticipating the market to get to this morning or before New York session. As you can see, that was my overall TP initially. Because I've hit my, though the trade, I still have the trade going on my other account. My daily stipend account is, I've made my target already, so I've already closed. But I mean, I've made my target already that I've recovered my losses yesterday. So, but I've closed already on that one. But the other one is still going. That one is still going. And the thing is that one is even locked. So I can't miss. I want to make any withdrawal. When I knock on my DM, when I can't beg me for money, oh, I don't get any money to give anybody. Oh. Because I can't even withdraw it. It's already locked till end of the year. So anticipating for 4-1 here. So if the market did not eventually break this zone here because of the gap that the market opened with last night, then we can take a buy. Take a buy at this zone here. But eventually it breaks down Let us wait for another level here, possibly here, somewhere here. Then you can go for a buy. But if you break this zone 2 down, then you're looking for what? A sell, a sell, a sell back to the origin, a sell back to the origin. Like if the market breaks it down here, so wait for retesting, let market retest, then what? We start shorting. We start what? Start shorting down, 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 back to the origin. But if not, we'll look for buy. But I said earlier, buy, buy, buy is buy. Look for buy. It is buy we are doing today. It is buy. This is where I entered from. Earlier I saw this rejection. This rejection here. When I saw this gold candlestick start opening, I went to my 1 minute time frame. That was what I did here. So when I saw this rejection here and I saw this engulfing, I entered it immediately. This is what I saw, this gold candlestick that I saw that made me to enter this market here. This little dragonfly doji. So this market is already changing direction. So I just risk it and entered. And maybe I have this engulfing. I was relaxed. I didn't bother again. Anyway, you guys, see you later. Thank you.